Hey guys. They both have the hiccups. Gabby, Charlie. At the same time. You guys are hilarious. Oops. Here you go, baby. Do you want this back? No. Yes. There's our feet. Whole feet. These feet are covered. You guys are getting wild and crazy over here. Someone tooted. Whew. You have a question, Robbie? Is Charlie doing that on purpose? Mm-hmm. You talking?
Catherine said she went to school with Susanna today to release balloons, but Jimmy, the kindergartners wrote messages.
Good job. You guys are getting crazy. Yep. You loaning her your arm? I don't know if we need to do that. Now, if you're Big Brother Thomas here, let's see, he'd probably be tackling you. Check out the cheeks on this one. Oh. Oh my. Oh, God bless you.
Okay, this is funny. There's this poor high school player who tackles his own man.
No, he did not.
He did.
What are you guys doing now? Kind of moving and grooving. Moving and grooving, Mama.
Right there. They're both wearing purple. Oh no. Oh
Okay, that's funny.
no. Oh, that's
Poor
hilarious.
guy. Okay, that's funny.
Pam, did you check your email when I sent you the children dressed in Halloween costumes.
No, I didn't. I'll have to look.
It's little children. It's so cute. I don't have your email, Patty. I need to put it on my list.
Love it.
Yeah, let's get it from the side view.
She's saying I'm not gonna be your friend anymore because you hit.
Jolly.
Charlie's trying to make up. They don't feel bad.
She's smiling. She's like, haha, I got him. Come play, says Charlie. Come play. I won't hit you again.
Just think all those arms and legs are going on inside of your body.
Oh, there we go. Now she'll come back. Oh, Charlie's mad now. Charlie says, forget it. Oh, wait, sister. They're so hyper with each other. It's so cool they're both awake. It's not very much awake to get up. Oh.
You see this red shirt?
Yeah, probably do. Oh, good yawn, baby. I like to show Charlie's non-chin, non-neck. Hilarious. They both have blue eyes now, but we don't know about the hair color. Because you guys are kind of greasy because mommy didn't bathe you again today. Baby.
They're so content.
Both hiccuping. And as happy as can be. They're like, hey sister, remember when we were in Mom? Oh yeah, that was a fun swim. That was Charlie. Wiggle worm.